Do you know that Luxembourg, one of the richest country in the world, is actively looking for workers to fill warehouse jobs? Yes, you heard me right. This country has a low population, high demand for workers, and amazing benefits like free public transport, education, and more. Luxembourg has a competitive salary. You can also work alongside your spouse and even bring your family over. It also has visa approval rate of 87.3%, one of the highest in the Schengen zone. If this sounds exciting to you, stay with me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to land a warehouse job in Luxembourg, the jobs available, how much you can earn, visa process, company hiring, and even tips for success. Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome to today's video. My name is Ogi. I talk about migration, work, and study opportunities abroad. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe for more helpful updates. So let's dive into everything you need to know about getting a warehouse job. Luxembourg is one of the richest countries in the world with a GDP per capita of over $151,000, an average annual salary of 81,000 euro. This country has or offers financial stability and growth. The population is small, so the competition for job is lower compared to other European countries. Employers are eager to fill vacancies or roles, especially warehouses and logistics. And here is a fun fact. Luxembourg has an 87.3% visa approval rate, making it one of the easiest countries to get a visa in Europe. Now, let me break down some of the roles you can apply for and how much you will earn. The first one, warehouse operatives. You can earn between 2,200 euro to 2,500 euro per month. Your task will be to handle picking, packing of goods, and sorting of goods. The second job, forklift operator. The salary range from 2,300 euro to 2,600 euro per month. Your task will be to use forklifts to move heavy goods within the warehouse. The third job, inventory manager. The salary is between 3,500 euro to 4,200 euro per month. Your job will be to manage stock levels, order supplies, and oversee inventory in the warehouse. The fourth job you can apply for if you have the experience is shipping and receiving clerk role. The salary ranges from 2,200 to 2,700 per month. The task is you will handle shipments, prepare shipping documents, and manage logistics. The fifth role, warehouse supervisor. The salary ranges from 3,000 euro to 3,800 per month. The task is you will oversee daily operations and manage staffs. The sixth is logistics coordinator. The salary ranges from 3,000 euro to 3,500 euro per month. The task will be you will plan transportation and deliver schedules in the warehouse. The seventh job or role you can apply for is warehouse manager. The salary ranges from 4,000 to 5,000 euro per month. Your task will be to lead all aspects of warehouse operatives, from logistics to staff management. And the eighth is other picker salary. The salary ranges from 2,100 to 2,500 per month. Your task will be to pick and pack orders efficiently for shipments. The ninth job is warehouse assistant. The salary ranges from 2,200 euro to 2,400 euro per month. Your task will be to assist with unloading, sorting and organizing goods. And finally, we have the 10th role here, maintenance technician. The salary ranges from 2,800 to 3,300 per month. Your task will be to maintain and repair warehouse equipment. There's a lot you can benefit from when you live in Luxembourg. The first is free public transportation. This will help you save money on commuting because buses, train, and trams are free for everyone. The second is free education. If you move with your family, your children can enjoy top high public education at no cost. And the third is you can travel across the Europe with Luxembourg residence visa. You can travel with any of the 26 Schengen countries for up to 90 days without needing a separate visa. As of January 1st, 2025, Luxembourg minimum wage rates are as follows. Unskilled workers aged 18 years and above earn 2,637 euro 77 cents per month, approximately 14 euro 0.86 cents per hour. Skilled workers aged 18 years and above earn 3,165 euro 32 cents per month, approximately 17 euro 0.83 euro per hour. Workers aged 17 to 18 years earn 2,110 euro 23 cents per month, approximately 11 euro 89 cents per hour. Workers aged 15 to 17 years old earn 1,978 euro 34 cents per month, approximately 11 euro 14 cents per hour. These rates are based on the standard of 40 hours per week. Now, let's talk about the top companies hiring. Please keep your eyes on the following. The first is Amazon, second DHL, third Cargolus, fourth Kuehne Plus Nagel, fifth Loose Air Cargo, sixth is UPS, seventh is DB Schenker, and eighth is Jodis. There are some trusted platforms that you can also search for jobs. The first is Movie Job. The second is Indeed Luxembourg. The third is Monster Luxembourg. The fourth is Jobs.lu. The fifth is Oyers Luxembourg. Also, check out these recruitment agencies like Randstad, Manpower, and Kelly Services. This can also connect you to employers direct. But please, I want to put a disclaimer. While I have mentioned these agencies because of my research, I cannot guarantee the services because I have not used them. Please ensure that you conduct a thorough research before engaging with them. Getting a visa to Luxembourg is easier than you think. Here is what you need to know. Applicant's fee, 50 euro. Spouse/partner fee is 50 euro. Child fee under 17 years is 50 euro. Long stay visa application are processed within 10 working days. The visa is valid for 1 year and you can renew it by applying for a residence permit. Once in Luxembourg, you can travel across Schengen area for short trips without additional visas. Before applying for a warehouse job in Luxembourg, here are some tips to boost your chances of success. I will suggest that you learn basic English skills because they are often required. The second is research the cost of living because it is high, so plan your budget. The third is highlight relevant skills such as forklifts operations or logistics experiences or any other experiences that you may have. The fourth is follow companies and recruitment agencies on LinkedIn. Stay informed about job openings. Getting a warehouse job in Luxembourg can open a doors to a brighter future for you and your family.